What I like about the lab is it's very hands-on work. It's really getting the gist of it is very simple, like you're taking care of plants, and plus it allows you to understand more things about plants. You know, it's not just a simple, you put in the dirt and you water it. Of course that's the main element, but there's so much different effects that play into the polar, like what kind of fertilizers it needs, what kind of soil it needs, you know, NPK, alkaline levels. It all plays into one big role each plant needs to thrive. And not only that, you could start your own garden business. Learn how to manage sales, finances, as well as working on landscaping and running a greenhouse and a nursery. Think of like your garden bed. You do a lot of landscaping, gotta do a lot of procedures to clean up your garden bed so you can plant plants in there. So that's a lot of things that I like about the lab because it's very unique.